Hi, this is Krunalsinh and Bhaumik. We are going to present our final project, which is an arcade game. Um, we name our company as a Sonic Solution to Web, and we name our final game as Universal Adventure. And this is the basic welcome screen for the game, which has a start game button and the instructions. And the game is all like it's about the arcade game, which is basically side scroller. Universal adventure. In every level, character needs to collect points through collecting the achievement object, which are like a different in every level. It's not the same. Like you don't need to collect the same thing in every level. It's change as you move to level to level. And the level can only be changed after achieving the certain score. For level 2, we set a 1500. Then the scoreboard will be reset to 0. Just for the difficulty, you don't want to store the score because it's a very basic. That's what we get in the moment. And for level 3, sorry, the target is 1500 again. So you need to collect 1500 points in level 2. That's how you can get to the level 3. And in level 3, there's no limit for getting points. You can collect as much as currently my high score is like 6,000 something. Okay, and the planning is basically about we got a plan from the red last assignment, the main pilot. We thought it could be like a more story based, so that's why we set our level like that. Like in first level, you're drilling under the like earth, you're drilling underground, collecting the gold stone, and your obstacles will be the what can I say that like toxic gas. You just have to blow a fire in order to rid of the toxic gas and collect the gold stones. By collecting every gold stone, you will get the 100 points, and destroying enemy like that, of course, the toxic gas, you will get 200 points. And that's how you move forward. The other level is basically Earth Adventure, where the player needs to fly a plane and collect the hearts to achieve points, and can destroy weather cloud, a bad weather storm cloud with the water bullet, of course. And in level 3, we name it as a space adventure. The player need to collect it basically like a coin, but we need to we need to like, we need to put a space jam instead of that. And here it's a return that you need to escape from the alien ship, but later we changed the plan, and recently we are thinking about put a meteorite, so it's look more practical. And now the instructions.
So, hi guys, Bhaumik here. For the instruction, our player is moved on the mouse. So when you move your mouse, that you can move the player according to that direction. And the vehicle works as a mouse pointer, and it's a totally mouse operated game. And the left click, we put the left fire bullet on the left click, and when you contact with any elements on the screen will reflect on the score. Like if you hit any enemy with your vehicle, then you're gonna reduce that 1 point, like 100 points wins, and one life too. And when you kill any enemy or collect any points, you can earn the points according to that. And on the home screen you can see that there is two buttons, one is start game and one is instruction. And this is our level 1. In the level 1, the vehicle is like a driller. You have to drill in earth, and you have to collect the gold stones, but you have to save yourself from the toxic gas. and level this is our level 2. In our level 2 it's a sky. You are flying a 1947 old plane, and you have to collect the heart, and you have to save yourself with the clouds. And in this one it's a space adventure over here. You have to collect the coins on the space, and we put in our screenshot there is a spaceship, but we already changed it to asteroid. And you have to save your ship with from the asteroid rain, and you have to collect the points. You can also fire bullet towards the asteroid to kill them, to prevent them, not kill.
Okay, let's just check a working of the game. So takes a time. Here we go. So you can hear a background sound. You know, you're hearing it. It's a typical basic sound for the any machine or engine working right. Here is the main screen which says Universal Adventure. You can see the Start Game button and Instructions button. If you click on Instruction button, it gives you the that how to play the each level. Like this, the instruction for first level that you need to collect a gold stone, and you can get a point. Then you move to the level 2. In level 2, you have to collect the hearts and shoot the water bullet to dissolve the clouds. And level 3, you need to go to like space. You are of meteoroid, you can fire a laser bullet to destroy them, and there's a no point limit. You can play limitless, and that's a good thing, I guess. Destroying a bot, which means, of course, the enemy, cloud, the toxic gas, and in level 3, it's an asteroid. You got 200 points for that. And for collecting the achievement, like a gold stone, heart, and of course the space ball, you got 100 points. So let's walk through each level. Here you go. So you can see there's a bit contrast issue here with the gem point, but here you go. I collected 100 points, and I'm level 2. So here's my water bullet. If you can see, I'm shooting the clouds, collecting the hearts, and trying to lose one life. I'm trying to get 1500 points. So here is the 1500. Here you go. Now you're in space. Collecting the space ball, destroying the asteroid with the laser bullet, and basically there is a no limit. If you can see that my lives getting reset and my score are getting reset to 0, of course, because this is the for the presentation issue. We're gonna change it later when we get a time to include it in the future scope, and lots of things to do. But for now, let's game over. So it's a game over. Final score is 2200. Here is a try again button, and the background is set to the first level. So when you click try again, it will play a first level. Okay, and this is it. And now a lesson to learn. So, a lesson to learn. We learn a most important thing, which is like don't ever mess up with the um, framework scripts like easel.js or create.js or any preload.js. Don't mess up with them because we did it and we have to pay a lot for that, and like we don't want to get mess up the whole code and write again. We learned the TypeScript logs in this. Uh, we lost our repository once, and we have to create everything again, which got a lot of time, as we discussed with you, Tom, that and you say it's our bad luck. And the last but not least, that don't leave anything for last. Do it when you get a time.
And don't use foreign laptops.
Yeah, of course. Bhaumik laptop just got crashed. Now the future scope. We were thinking about applying like put some animation transition between the level, like when you complete the first level, maybe you will see that okay, goal achieved, and now you're going to the level 2, but during the message shop that you're going to level 2, you will see the background animation like driller is drilling out of the earth, reaching to the ground level, and then the machine is converted from driller to plane or something like that. We're also planning to achieve like create after a certain score you will get the special weapon, maybe a laser gun or driller or something like that. And instead of a score goal, we're thinking about the main boss in each level. So if you kill the main boss, there will be a next level, otherwise nothing. And we were thinking about like after completing each level on home screen, the level is available for user. Like user can choose that level if you already achieved. Even your game is over on level 2, you can start from level 2. Your game is over on level 3, you can start from level 3. So that's it, I guess. And thank you, and happy holiday.
Merry Christmas.